Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you one experiment that I will decolorize that China rose. Okay, now see, for this I need one China rose, one small beaker, that hydrogen peroxide. Now hydrogen peroxide is easily available in medical shop. Okay, now H2O2, it has a bleaching property because it decomposes into H2 and O2, so it has bleaching property. Today I will show this experiment. That red color, put it in that beaker in that way. Next, adding some H2O2. Now we have to mix it properly so that it start to react. I'm starting this with a glass rod. It is a slow reaction, it will take some time. See, after 30 minutes, you will get this type of result. See, that red color of that China rose completely disappear. Okay, little bit is there. If you keep it for more time, that also it will go. See the change. Only few that red stink is there, completely turn that white. You can easily perform that test in house. Just you need that H2O2 which is available in medical shop. But use gloves for this experiment because H2O2 it is corrosive in nature. So use gloves when you perform that test.
Thank you for watching. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment on the videos. Please subscribe my channel to get more chemistry related video.